You remember these pages, right? The profile card, the resume page, the portal, which is to leave a message for me, as well as the login and register pages. So all of these pages looks nice. Now, the thing is that we can see that different pages has different designs, and that will make the user confused. So the mission is to make it similar pages, and that can done by having the same code for all pages. Especially I'm talking about the style code, which is link rel style sheet and then href style.css, or in other pages if you can see it has portal.css. So these styles, it's used, these pages use different styles, so we need to all pages to use the same style. And to do that we need to take the style and place it in all other pages. So we have here portal here as well. Here we need to add it, so inside the head we need to add this link here, save, and then we need to add that link here as well. Let's save and see how it will look like. Let's refresh the page, and okay, now it takes the same color, it take the color of the background, but now we have a problem. The style looks same, but we have like the design get messy, and we have to fix this one. You see, for resume and also for profile page, as well as there is one more thing. You see here we have a place for website logo and link. We have a navigation bar, I mean header and nav bar, as well as here, but here we don't have it. So we need to go and copy the code again and paste it on those pages. And instead of that, here comes the PHP. By using PHP, we are going to organize our code. So I'm not going to place everything in the same file. For example, we have the page of about. Inside it, I will take everything starting from HTML until the closing tag of head. I will cut that part and create a new file, and I will call it header. New file, and this file I will call it header. So for me this file is going to be the header of my web pages, header.html. all right, and here is HTML as well. Save. After I save it, there is one more part, which is the footer. I have a footer, right? And the footer has the details about copyright, I mean the owner of this web page. So I'm going to take it as well and create another file, save the code inside it, and call it footer.html. all right, so now we can see that header starts in one file, body is another file, and then footer in different file. So now we need to link these files together, so when we run into the browser is gonna know, okay, header in that file, so bring it and put it, add the body, and then add the footer. To do that, we need, as I said, we can do that by using PHP. So PHP is another language, and to use it we need to use the PHP tag, PHP, and then the closing tag of PHP. PHP code, all the code must be between the opening angle bracket and the closing angle bracket from PHP. So it's somehow different from HTML. HTML we have opening tag and the closing tag. For PHP now we have the tag, and all the code have to be between the opening and the closing. So to link the page we need to use the include statement. Include statement, it is a keyword in PHP, so we can't use it except for include another file. So header.html and I have to close it with semicolon. For the footer, have to be at the end of the body. So after, before closing the body, before the footer, so I need to add another PHP tag because we close it up there. So I have to create another PHP tag and again include footer.html and semicolon. Each PHP statement must end with semicolon. Now I will do this for other pages as well. Here is our code after edit. So I have user portal.php. By the way, we have to store the file as PHP file, not HTML file. Otherwise, it will not read the PHP code and render it or parse it to the browser. So we have to store it as PHP, as well as we have here include the header. Oh, just now I had a mistake, an error. I mean, when I add the parentheses, so there is no parentheses. Include single quote, the name of the file, another single quote, and followed with semicolon. Same thing I did here for the footer. So I have the PHP again, include footer.html. If I go for resume, here is the header and here is the footer. Same thing in profile. Same thing for profile. It has header, footer, and also contact. Here is our file that we run already, our PHP files, and you can see that it is contact.php, and we have the header as well as the navbar, and this is imported from the header.html file, as well as this one imported from the footer.html. Then if I click on sign in, sign up, so you see it is the same. If I click on contact me, it is the same profile. So here is the profile. We have the image, we have the links, but the style messed up a little bit. We can fix it in a while. It will not take long, but as you can see, we have everything here. So I would like to ask you, what is front end? Leave your answer in the comment below the video. Here comes another question. How we run PHP code? If you see the link here, it is somehow different from when we run HTML. That's what we'll explain next.